Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I'm showing you how to create this teddy bear look. So let's just jump right into it. I'm using a white eye pencil to just start sketching out the layout of my face. So the nose, the mouth, and the teeth. I'm then taking a brown water activated face paint since we're going to be a brown teddy bear. And I'm just using this to start painting my face in, as well as sketch out the area where I'm going to be having the quote unquote tear in my face where the stuffing's going to be coming out of. So I'm leaving that part bare for now. And I'm also making sure to cover up my upper body with this as well so everything looks nice and consistent. Then using a black water activated face paint, I'm using this to outline that open area we left and fill that in with the black. Also going to be using this for my nose. And then using the white water activated face paint, I'm going to be filling in the teeth with this and then outlining it with the black. Once I'm done with that, I'm then going to go ahead and outline the entirety of the mouth and then fill in between all the teeth with the black as well. Then using a red water activated face paint, I'm going to be kind of filling in the gum areas of the mouth, give it a little more dimension, highlight the nose a little bit with the white, and then using a brown eyeshadow around the eyes to help set that area. I'm then creating a little tear in the neck area, using the white face paint to create a little stitching effect. And then popping on some lashes on that one eyeball that's going to be showing. And then going in with some Pros-Aide, I'm placing this around the skin and the area that I'm going to be adhering the cotton. So once I've got that all down, I'm then taking some cotton balls, pulling them apart, and then placing them over my eye, and then finagling that with my fingers to the shape I want. And then also doing this on the neck as well. I'm then taking a light peach toned eyeshadow and using this to kind of highlight my face, under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. And then that's it, you guys. You are now a torn up teddy. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was the end of our 13 Days of Halloween series. I can't believe it's already Halloween, end of October 2019. If you guys aren't already, please follow me on Instagram at Lady Paradox. I post stuff on there all throughout the year. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Mwah.